Hello everybody, this is Dr. Jeff Colbert from Schooley's Mountain Chiropractic Center. Today we're going to do a quick adjusting video. This is our patient Holly. You may see her daughter coming in and out. That's Lucy. She owns the joint. I don't, so forget that. So without any further ado, Holly and I are going to go through an adjustment. Taking a look at left short leg. So we're going to go with the sacroiliac joint is out on the left hand side. Put her on the blocks. Now, Holly's a lab tech, so we got something going on because she's always got her nose into a microscope or her eyes in a microscope, counting bugs and bacteria. How you doing today?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good. What'd you do with the snow?
It was not that bad.
No, it wasn't. Quarter to a half an inch. Winter's version of drizzle.
Okay, I'll just let me know.
That's too stressful.
So let's do your
Things have been easy?
No.
No? You just dealing better?
Yeah.
That's good. For everybody who knows, Holly is probably my patient with the loudest decibels in getting adjusted. And if you think that's bad, wait till we get to the lower back. This is for all you guys who like noise. Let's have you lay on this side. I told you she was loud. And all the way out. I did not lie. And Holly is even in one, just a little bit off in position two. Holly, that noise that you just made is going to make you world famous.
Thanks.
If you want, I'll send you a copy of it. You can put it on your Instagram page.
Okay.
Yeah, I know, I wanted to check it out.
Are you gonna put it on YouTube?
David will edit it and do whatever he's got to do. And all the way out. Mid back's never as loud as that lower back. There you go. Okay. Okay, so all of you guys out there in chiropractic land who love loud adjusting, I hope you guys all like and share this and pass it along to everybody. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And if you are interested in Schooley's Mountain Chiropractic Center, your leader in alternative healthcare, you can visit our website, smcc4u.com. Thank you, everybody. Have a great night. And again, Holly, thank you for letting us adjust you this evening.